ABC 10 News reporter Anthony Pura spoke with a San Diegan familiar with the White House about the type of medical care that's available to the president there.
You know, the medical office in the White House is part of the military office.
Barry Jagoda is the author of Journeys with Jimmy Carter and Other Adventures in Media. He was an assistant to former President Carter, a television advisor when Carter ran for president. Jagoda also spent several years working with Network News. He shared with ABC 10 News what he knows of the medical facilities in the White House.
All the staff members in the White House had access to the doctors there. And, you know, you wouldn't go there for an annual checkup, but if you had some kind of an emergency case, you could go up to the medical office and they'd help you out. If it was a serious problem, they'd say, look, you better go to the hospital.
The president will have access to what Jagoda says is similar to an emergency room after he spent 3 nights in the hospital after testing positive for COVID-19.
It can handle pretty much anything that comes up, unless it's something serious, like a serious infection, in which case that too can be handled as long as you bring in all the gear and all the testing so you can test the lungs and test the oxygen levels and that sort of thing.
However, at this point, it's unknown if that's what's being done for the president.
Because we don't really know. We're not being told what has happened. And one of the advantages to a president of going into the White House for treatment as opposed to in a hospital is that it's pretty secretive. And no one has to say anything.
According to the president's doctor, though the president may not be out of the woods yet, he's safe to return home where he'll get medical care 24/7.
There's several doctors working in the military office of the president. For example, there's one doctor that pays more attention to the first lady. And of course, there's one doctor that pays full-time attention to the president.
Anthony Pura, ABC 10 News.